Hi, today I'd like to go through a very useful Autocad command called Xclip, which can add some fun and creativity and speed to how you work out your Autocad drawings. Okay, for Xclip, it only works best with blocks. Okay, we'll go through the very first function for Xclip. Okay, you just type Xclip and you select the block. You press space again for creating a new boundary, and you press space again to draw a rectangle. For example, I want to just clip to show the toilet. As you can see, once I've drawn the rectangle, it will only reveal the toilet. By clicking the arrow, it will show what that is hidden. Okay, we'll go through the next function for Xclip. You just type Xclip and you select the block and you press space again for new boundary. Right now you press P instead of space. By doing that, you can draw a free-form polygon of the area that you want to clip. By clicking it, you can see this is the previously drawn polygon. Okay, for next function for Xclip, just type Xclip, select the block. Type Xclip, select the block, space again for new boundary. Now you press S. Now you just have to draw some polyline, rectangle and square. Okay, I'll just go through this function of how you can manipulate your drawing by using different drawn polyline. Okay, you type Xclip, select block, space for new boundary and press S. As you can see, this is the polyline they have drawn. It takes up the shape of the polyline they have drawn. You can actually, by selecting the nodes and moving them, by reviewing and hiding all the clipping objects. Next, we can try using the polyline of a rectangle. You type Xclip, select the object, space for new boundary, and type S to select the polyline. Please take note that for Xclip, it doesn't work with the curve. So make sure that all your polylines are close and are in straight. So we can try using this. Xclip, select object, press space for new boundary, click S to select. It doesn't work. Autocad would say the selected object is not a polyline. Okay, for next function, I will teach you how you can generate the frame polygon. For example, this polyline that you have already drawn, but you want to get back the same polyline, you can type Xclip, select the object and press P. You automatically generate the polyline that you drawn, that you have Xclip the block. Okay, next we will try to delete the Xclipping. Just type Xclip, select the block and press D to delete. As you can see, it is back to the original block. Okay, next we will go through how we can review to see the frame. Okay, you type Xclip frame. Usually in default is number 2, but I already set to 0, but now you can press 2. As you can see, all the Xclipping frame are reviewed by pressing the plot function. Anything that's under value 2, you can see the clipping, but it doesn't print out. So if I set the value to 1, Xclip frame you will still see the frame and it can be printed out. Let's try. Okay, by setting the Xclip frame to 0, you won't see all the frame anymore and it won't be printed out. Let's try. Yeah. Okay, Xclipping is basically a very useful tool when you are working with a lot of blocks but you doesn't want to change a particular block or redo a new block just for a high-rise building or what. You can just make use of the Xclip to clip away the toilet. Or you have multiple stories that you don't want to review the staircase. It is good that you can just by changing the clipping frame to manipulate the drawings. Okay, thanks guys for watching my video. I hope this tutorial will give you some fun in your working on your Autocad. Please feel free to leave any comments at my YouTube page. Thank you.